Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin wa bihi nasta'in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before my message of commitment, I would like to express my gratitude to my best friend, my brother, Attorney Sukano Amas. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And of course, the highly respected former Congresswoman Vice Nasrasema, ma'am, and to our newly installed Minister of MPIT, ma'am, and all, my brother, Dato' Cha from Malaysia. Thank you very much, and to all dignitaries and partners in development, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Actually, hindi ko ito ini-expect, pero sabi nila kailangan talaga maging handa. Girl Scout na babae ay laging handa. So, pinasulat ko na lang para at least yung aking kapatid kasi nire-request din whenever we talk, kailangan talaga in English kasi para daw madala niya sa Malaysia na isang potential na mga investors natin. In-invite po namin galing in advance on November 10. Magkakaroon po tayo na forum sa municipality ng Matanog with the support of DESA, of course. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A blessed day, everyone. It is both an honor and a privilege to be among the distinguished partners and stakeholders gathered here today for the second multi-stakeholders forum of the Bangsamoro Economic Zone Authority. This forum is a testament to our shared commitment to realizing an inclusive and sustainable economic landscape for the Bangsamoro. On behalf of the people of Matanog, I extend my warmest congratulations and gratitude to BESA for continuously building platforms and connect local governments, investors, and development partners toward a unified vision of prosperity. As a humble municipality that once bore the challenges of underdevelopment and conflict, Matanog has embraced transformation with courage and hope. Through our collective determination, we are now writing a new narrative, one that shifts from war zone to economic zone. This vision inspired the creation of the Wang Matanog Special Economic Zone, a project that embodies our pursuit of peace through progress. It serves as a catalyst for livelihood opportunities, infrastructure development, and halal industry promotion, not only for Matanog, but for the entire Laranon Corridor and the Bangsamoro region. The Wang Matanog Special Economic Zone and the Bangsamoro Halal Park are not mere projects. They are the symbols of faith in what the Bangsamoro people can achieve when unity, innovation, and leadership courage. With the strong collaboration of Matanog Development Bangsamoro Incorporated, or the MDBI, and our partners from Malaysia, Dato' Cha, we are creating ecosystem that welcomes investors, empowers local industries, and strengthens our participation in the global halal economy. This is how we make the peace dividends truly felt on the ground through economic empowerment that uplifts every Laranon people. Our partnership with BESA reinforces our belief that economic zones are strategic platforms for regional transformation. The support of BESA ensures that the Wang Matanog Special Economic Zone aligns with national and regional policies, particularly in investment incentives in sustainable management. Together, we are establishing a blueprint for rural industrialization that harmonizes economic growth with environmental protection and social inclusion. In closing, let me reaffirm Matano's steadfast commitment to be a dynamic partner of the Bangsamoro Economic Zone Authority and the BAR in realizing a resilient, halal-driven, and inclusive economy. May today's gathering strengthen our collaboration and ignite more initiatives that advance the Bangsamoro role in the national and an international development arena. Indeed, the story of Matano is a proof that when we work hand in hand, progress is not just possible, it is inevitable. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much, Honorable Mayor Zolia and Basilpur. We want to emphasize what she said. From war zone to economic zone. For me, that's a statement. Very much thank you so much, Mayor. Maraming salamat.